Can you unmute someone on Messenger if you previously muted them?
Hello there. Today we're going to walk through a common question that many Messenger users have. Can you unmute someone on Messenger if you previously muted them? The short answer is yes. It's a simple process that will guide you through step by step.
Why would you mute and unmute someone on Messenger?
You might mute someone on Messenger for various reasons. Maybe you're getting too many notifications, or perhaps you just need a break from a certain conversation. Whatever the reason, the good news is, unmuting a conversation is just as easy as muting it.
How to unmute someone on Messenger?
Let's get to the heart of the matter. Here's how you can unmute someone on Messenger. 1. Open the Messenger app on your phone. 2. Navigate to the conversation you have muted. This can be done by scrolling through your chats or using the search bar at the top of the screen. 3. Once you have found the chat, click on the name or group name at the top of the conversation screen. This will open the chat settings. 4. Scroll down until you find the mute option. The option should show the duration for which the chat was muted: 15 minutes, 1 hour, 8 hours, 24 hours, or until I turn it back on. 5. Click on the mute option and then select Unmute. 6. Congratulations, you have successfully unmuted the chat. You will now receive notifications for messages received in this chat.
What happens after unmuting someone?
Once you've unmuted someone on Messenger, you will start receiving notifications for their messages again. This allows you to stay updated with the conversation. However, if at any point you wish to mute the conversation again, you can follow the similar steps to mute it. There you have it. That's how you can easily unmute someone on Messenger. It's a quick, straightforward process. We hope this video has been helpful and clarifies how you can manage your chat notifications on Messenger. Until next time, happy messaging!